Magnetic disk, it is a moving head disk mechanism. Let's have a diagram. As you can see here, we are having this platter. You can have seen some CD kind of structure like here, like, and we are having this arm assembly, and this arm assembly we are having read write head, and these read write head can like you can see platters are within these read write head, and one platter consists of a number of logical tracks, and one track consists of hundreds of sectors. And what is this cylinder? This is one arm position from the arm assembly. As you can see, these are fixed. These arms of assembly are fixed. So when disk start moving, as you can see, rotation is having this clockwise manner. So at this position, when the read write head is at this place, when your platter is moved, so it make a logical cylinder kind of thing. So this is called a cylinder. Let's see what it is. Each disk platter has a flat circular shape like a CD. Common platter diameters ranges from 1.8 to 3.5 inches. The two surfaces of a platter are covered with a magnetic material. We store information by recording it magnetically on the platters. A read-write head flies just above each surface of every platter to read or write from these platters. The heads are attached to a disk arm that moves all the heads as a unit. The surface of a platter is logically divided into circular tracks, which are subdivided into sectors. You can see here that a number of tracks are there in this platter. Please mute yourself, my voice is echoing. Okay, and in one track, we are having a number of sectors, and data is stored in those sectors only. And worm arm positions of from this arm assembly is constituent of one cylinder. Now the set of tracks that are at one arm position makes up a cylinder. So what is this cylinder? See, the set of tracks that are at one arm position is called a cylinder. Now there may be thousands of concentric cylinders in a disk drive, and each track may contain hundreds of sectors. The storage capacity of common disk drive is measured in gigabytes. Now, what is disk speed? It consists of two parts. First one is transfer rate. What is transfer rate? It is the rate at which data flow between the drive and the computer. Between the drive and the computer. What computer we are talking about? Your main memory, right? It is the rate at
Yes,
which
sir.
data flow between the drive and your main memory. Okay. And the next one is positioning time or random access time. Now, this positioning time or random access time consists of two parts. First one is seek time, and next one is rotational latency time. So, first one is seek time is what? The time necessary to move the disk arm to the desired cylinder. Now, to reach a particular sector, you have to reach a particular cylinder, and now the time taken to reach to the particular your desired cylinder, it is called a seek time. And what is rotational latency time? Once you reach a desired cylinder, the time taken to move that desired sector to your disk head is called rotational latency time. Here you can see that here is the cylinder in dotted forms. So the time taken for this disk arm to reach this cylinder is called seek time. And what is rotational latency? Uh, the desired sector is here. Desired sector is here. The time taken to move it to the disk arm is called rotational latency time. Okay. So transmission time is what? Here you can see the transmission time. Time for all desired data to spin by read write head. So sector is from here to here, and starting the time taken is called rotational latency time, and the whole data of this sector was read by the disk arm is called transmission time. So these are the concepts